know this road looks dangerous. I need to warn everyone and call for help.
Catch me if you can!
The race cars see the sign, but will they stop?
Oh, this doesn't look safe. I better go slowly.
La la la, what a lovely day.
The truck is in a hurry! He wants to pass!
Move it! Why are you taking so long?
Oh no! The truck pushed them in, and now he's falling too! The water pipe is
OMG,
broken!
help!
The
Somebody
hole is
help
filling up!
We need your help. There's a cracked road and vehicles trapped.
OMG, let's go.
The police car calls for help. Rescue team, hurry!
Help!
OMG, hold on tight.
The rescue team is here. Time to pull them out!
Thank you so much.
One by one, they're being lifted to safety.
We have to fix the water pipe. We need new water pipes. Here. We'll fix this in no time.
Now, it's time to fix the road and replace the pipe.
It's fixed!
Wow, the road is good as new.
Reckless driving and ignoring warning signs can lead to disasters like this. No more cutting in line or rushing through dangerous areas.
We're sorry. We'll be more careful from now on.
They've learned their lesson. Safety comes first. Oh no! The middle part of the bridge has been blown away by the tornado. The yellow truck is speeding down the road. That was so close.
Oh, what's going on?
They're both stuck at the edge of the bridge.
I'm so sorry.
More cars are coming. Oh no!
Ow.
They're crashing into each other. Ow!
Huh?
The tow truck is here, but it's angry. What will it do next? Boom! The tow truck pushes all the cars into the hole. Help me! Help me!
Hey, what happened?
Look at the cars lying helplessly in the hole. What will happen to them? It's raining heavily again. The water is filling the hole and burying the cars. The rain has stopped, and now plants are growing on the land where the cars were buried.
Oh my gosh!
A hand appears! It's digging up the cars one by one. Look, they're covered in dirt. Wow!
Yay! Yay!
The cars are back on the road, but they're so dirty.
OMG, hurry up. It's so dirty.
Splash! The hand sprays water to clean the cars. The cars are shaking and having fun. Look how shiny and clean the cars are now. They're so thankful. The cars are leaving happily. They've learned to always be careful and watch the road ahead.
Be careful when traffic is heavy.
What a peaceful day.
The next day...
Huh? What's that? Smoke?
Breaking news. A train track accident has sparked a massive blaze.
Emergency! Calling the rescue team now.
Meanwhile...
It's action time! Transform! Firefighter, ready to roll!
Transform! Messy again. Oh dear.
Transform. Tow truck ready.
Transform!
I'll take care of everyone.
Transform! Please here, keep calm.
Water blast, go! Hooray! Thank you. Here, here!
Come on! You can do it! Oh yeah!
I always do dirty things.
Go! 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 Go!
Goodbye!
I'll take care of you. Come on, come on!
Hey!
We must rebuild this road. Hurry, call our friends.
I'm coming! Let me help! Teammates, come help now! Abracadabra!
Come here! Cement is coming. Pouring cement, glug, glug, glug! Let me smooth the way. I'll flatten the road.
Come on, come on!
Let's go!
Awesome!
That's amazing!
Good job!
Behold the beautiful railway track. What adventures await us? Subscribe and stay tuned to find out. Whoa! The storm just blew the track away. This could be troublesome for our car pals. Stop going that way, train. It's dangerous.
Oh no, stopping now.
Help me! Help me!
3, 2, 1, go!
Are you guys really having a race right now? I don't think that's a good idea. Safety should be the priority.
Help me!
Oh no!
To see a fire. Quick, we must find someone to help. This calls for a rescue mission.
Oh no, I will call someone to help you.
Go, go, police car! We must get the fire truck. Time to tackle this fiery situation with the right team.
There was a serious accident.
Okay!
Let's go, team. No fire stands a chance against our united efforts. We'll extinguish and save the day.
Let me put out the fire first.
Water versus fire? Of course, a win for the water team. Let's douse those flames and bring safety back. Let's repair these guys too. Now they'll think twice before racing on the highway.
So hurt.
That's gotta be painful. And don't even get me started on the hospital fees. After all, health is priceless. We've got room for 2 more cars. Hop on, buddy. Now that scene looks familiar. Green car, take it easy.
Okay, let's go.
Now for the big guy, our poor train. Time to give it some tender, loving care.
Thank you.
We must fix the road and railway.
Indeed, it's our time to make the road look even better than before. Let's enhance it with care and creativity. Fix up that hole with some new sands now. Smooth it out with care, ensuring a silky and seamless road. Exciting news! New railway track coming up. Yes! A new traffic light will help the cars slow down. And there you have it, our new road. Now, let's enjoy some smooth and safe rides. Look at that shaky wooden bridge! It doesn't look very strong. Here come the red and yellow cars! They're racing so fast and having fun!
What's wrong?
Huh?
Did you see those 2 planks? I've got a fun idea.
What are you planning to do?
I dare you to push this plank.
Oh no! They're knocking pieces off the bridge. That's not safe at all.
You're so weak. Someone's coming. Let's get out of here.
Uh-oh! They broke the bridge and now they're running away. That wasn't the right thing to do.
Huh?
2 planks are missing. It should be fine to cross, right?
Hulk is worried, but he's still trying to cross. That's risky. Oh no! The bridge broke! Hulk and his truck fell into the water.
Huh?
Oh no! I'll go get help.
The red and yellow cars heard Hulk. It's time to help! Good teamwork! The yellow car is calling for help while the red car tries to rescue Hulk.
I need your help. The bridge collapsed and someone fell into the river.
Okay, let's go. I'll call for more assistance. I need your help.
We're on our way.
Here comes the rescue team! Working together makes everything better! Great job! The tow truck is pulling Hulk's truck out of the river!
We need to rebuild the bridge.
Okay.
Okay, let's start.
Time to build a stronger bridge! This one will be much safer! Look at the cement truck pouring cement! It's making the bridge super strong! Wow! Whoa! Whoa!
A few moments later.
Wow! The new bridge is ready and looks so sturdy! Great teamwork!
My fruits, they're all gone.
Wow. We're sorry.
Huh? Whoa!
Playing around can be dangerous for everyone. Next time, be more careful and don't risk crossing unsafe places, okay?
Yo, 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 yo!
What's wrong? Oh my God! Run! Go, go, go! Oh no! Help me! We'd love to help, but you're too heavy.
Hey!
No! Someone help me sort this mess out.
5 minutes later.
Go, go, go!
There seems to be an accident near the riverbank.
What should we do?
Just go there first.
Much, much, much later.
Yo, 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 yo!
Huh?
Let's get to work.
Transform!
Please go another way.
Okay already.
Goodbye.
Oh yeah.
Come on, come on! Woo-hoo!
Yo, 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 yo.
Need to build a bridge big enough for people to travel safely.
Yes, sir.
Doggy, let's rope 'em and ride. Okay already.
Thank you!
Amazing!
Now you can go up the bridge.
Come on, you can do it.
Oh my God.
You're pretty good.
Because it's me.
That's right.
Let's go.
Yo, 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 yo.
Practical design, all sizes are safe.
Bye, have a great time!